The XtremepowerUS 4CFM AC vacuum pump and kit is a comprehensive and indispensable toolkit for HVAC professionals and dedicated dyers. Designed to be the heart of any refrigeration maintenance operation, it is a workhorse, a true engine of efficiency, built to handle the most demanding jobs with grace and power. This kit, with its robust 4CFM air vacuum pump, is the undisputed master of evacuation, purging air and moisture from your refrigeration system with remarkable speed and precision. Consequently, it creates a pristine, vacuum-sealed environment, and this is crucial for the optimal performance and longevity of your air conditioning unit. Furthermore, the included AC manifold gauge set, a veritable command center, provides crystal clear readings and unparalleled control, allowing you to monitor pressure with meticulous accuracy. Truly, this is the very foundation of a successful HVAC repair, ensuring that every drop of refrigerant is pure and every component is free from harmful contaminants. This meticulously assembled XtremepowerUS 4CFM AC vacuum pump and kit is not just a collection of tools. It is a symphony of interconnected parts, each playing a vital role in the chorus of a perfectly functioning system. Additionally, the kit comes equipped with an R134A tap, a small but mighty accessory that bridges the gap between your refrigerant can and your system, simplifying the charging process. Subsequently, the leak detector, a silent sentinel, becomes your third eye, sniffing out even the most minuscule of leaks with laser-like focus, preventing costly refrigerant loss and environmental harm. Moreover, the entire ensemble is neatly housed in a durable carrying tote bag, a sanctuary for your tools, which keeps them organized, protected, and ready for deployment at a moment's notice. Ultimately, this thoughtful design ensures that you can transport your entire workshop to the job site with effortless ease, guaranteeing you have everything you need, precisely when you need it. In conclusion, the XtremepowerUS 4CFM AC vacuum pump and kit is more than just equipment. It is an investment in your craft, a testament to your dedication to excellence. First, it empowers you to tackle complex tasks, such as evacuating and recharging AC systems, with confidence and competence. Next, the synergistic combination of the powerful pump, the precise manifold gauges, and the vigilant leak detector forms an impenetrable fortress of efficiency. Therefore, this kit stands as a beacon of reliability in a sea of unreliable tools. Because it is so comprehensive, you will find yourself prepared for any challenge that comes your way, from a simple top-off to a complete system overhaul. Lastly, this kit, the indispensable XtremepowerUS 4CFM AC vacuum pump and kit, is the quintessential partner for anyone who refuses to compromise on quality or performance, enabling you to bring cool comfort back to a world that desperately needs it. Pros: storage bag is a perfect addition. Bag feels very durable, worked perfectly for my install. Can use for future installs, able to pull a vacuum without issue, great price, easy to use. Pump did great, good overall product, hoses and manifold all work great, strong pump, nice. Gauges, pump had plenty of power, feels solid and of good quality, pump worked fast. Accessories are really handy, great tool, works really well on my car, quiet pump, pump and manifold worked, manifold seemed to be good quality, didn't leak. Cons: high side hose was missing rubber insert, can tap fitting had incorrect threads, exhaust cover can fly off and get lost. Adapter for R134A cans is for older style, pump is a little slow. Features: 4CFM air vacuum pump, HVAC AC refrigeration kit, AC manifold gauge set, R134A tap included, leak detector included. Comes with a carrying tote, manifold gauge case, premium quality. Construction, designed for AC refrigeration, easy to use. The XtremepowerUS Premium 4 CFM Air Vacuum Pump HVAC AC Refrigeration Kit is a comprehensive set for AC refrigeration work. It includes a 4 CFM air vacuum pump, an AC manifold gauge set with a case, and an R134A tap. A leak detector and a carrying tote bag are also part of the kit. The product is designed for ease of use and features premium quality construction for durability. The XtremepowerUS Premium 4 CFM Air Vacuum Pump Kit is an excellent, budget-friendly option for HVAC and automotive AC work. It includes a strong, fast, and quiet pump that's easy to use and a durable manifold gauge set with quality hoses. The overall product feels solid and well made, and users found it worked perfectly for their installations, pulling a vacuum without any issues. The kit also comes with handy accessories and a durable carrying tote bag for storage. While generally praised, some users noted a few minor flaws, such as a missing rubber insert in the high side hose, an incorrect thread on the can tap fitting, and an older style R134A can adapter.